What is the difference between GetType and Typeof in C#? These are the normal question asked during the interview when you are applying as a fresher or a 6 month or a 1 years of experience. So let's just cover these things. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the GetType and how it will help us to compare the two objects in C#. To work with the Typeof, definitely we require another class. So let's say class, and my class name is marks. Okay. To Typeof demo. Now, what will happen is that, see, with the use of a Typeof, we are able to check it out that object 1 is belong to marks or not. So to perform this type of operation, definitely we have to use the function name Typeof. So what I'm going to do, let me just copy this line of a code and paste it over here. Let me just remove this if condition and write the code something like this. Typeof and pass my class name, let's say marks, and save the application. Now what will happen is that in the previous video we have discussed about that to get the type from the object, definitely we have to use the get type. Now with the use of a Typeof, what will happen is that Typeof will allow us to get the type from the class. So definitely we have passed the inside the bracket we have to pass the class name. If the object type and the type of the marks both are same, then it will shows me the if condition, otherwise it will show me the else condition. Currently what will happen is that the our else block gets executed. So let me just place the breakpoint over here and run the application. So save this and run the application. You can see that Typeof C, the type of a object 1 is not equal to this marks. So that's why it shows me the else block gets executed. Fine. Both are equal. Oh, okay. The previous if else condition gets fired. Fine. So let me just stop this application, and instead of marks, let me write student. Okay, now let me again save this application and run it. Now this time our if block gets executed. Fine. And continue. Both are equal. Fine. So this is the difference between the Typeof and type. A simple line of a sentence you need to say when you give the interview. The Typeof will help us to get the type from the class, and GetType will help you to get the type from the object. Now in the previous video we have learned and performed some demonstration regarding the equal to, like this 3 and why not worked. Why the equal to not worked when we write some code something like this, obj1 equal to obj2. Why it will shows me the output both are not equal. Let me just run this application and show you. In the previous in the next video definitely we are going to cover about it. You can see that our both are not equal, that means this line gets executed. We have already covered it, both are not equal, right? So this is executed. What is the reason behind it, that will be covered in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.